Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We have to show you today this beautiful approximately 100 gallon Fordler 316L stainless steel reactor. As you can see, Mettler scale system here. It's sitting on 3 legs with pods underneath here, or load cells. It's operating on 460 volt. It does have variable speed mixer. Mechanical seal you see operating there, stainless motor, and Boston gear reducer in stainless. The other stuff you see here, temperature and whatnot, obviously it's steam heated, so that's why they're not operating. Let me give you a look at the reactor. Of course, the removable top, 3 lifting lugs. Feldmeier's original tag there, National Board rated. It's also full vacuum internal, shrouded insulated body. We don't usually do it. We left the original piping on because it's in such pristine condition. This is what we actually almost consider a medical grade reactor. Going to give you a quick look inside. We've got a flashlight in there so you can get a look at it. See twin props on that. Twin temperature wells, upper and lower, and it has a guard over the discharge, which is 1.5 inches with a radial diaphragm valve you see right under here. We have another sister unit to this at 50 gallon, and other similar units in our stock as well. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today. Hope to see you soon.